LBank Review. Is this crypto exchange legit and safe in 2024? LBank has emerged as a promising platform for crypto traders around the world, thanks to its user-friendly interface, broad asset selection, and high security standards. With the cryptocurrency market evolving rapidly, this review explores LBank's pros, cons, unique features, and whether it's a legitimate and safe platform for users in 2024. Founded in 2016, LBank is a cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in Hong Kong, focused on providing a seamless experience for traders of all levels. With an array of over 500 cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, and various earning opportunities, LBank has garnered a loyal user base. It caters to both new and experienced traders who seek a platform offering diverse assets and flexible earning programs. Is LBank legitimate and safe? When it comes to security, LBank has implemented several measures to keep user funds safe. Cold wallet storage. LBank uses cold wallets for the majority of user funds, reducing the risk of online hacks. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This security feature helps protect users' accounts by requiring verification through a secondary device. AML and KYC compliance. LBank adheres to anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, protocols, adding a layer of safety and reducing fraudulent activities. While LBank may not be as regulated as some US-based exchanges, it has built a reputable position within the crypto community for transparency and reliability. Advantages of using LBank. Extensive range of cryptocurrencies. With support for over 500 cryptocurrencies, LBank offers users access to a wide variety of assets, from popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins. This diversity is ideal for users looking to explore new projects and build a varied portfolio. LBank's layout and design make it accessible for beginners while offering customizable features that advanced traders appreciate. The platform also supports multiple languages, making it accessible worldwide. LBank has a low trading fee of 0.1%, which is lower than many exchanges, helping users save on transaction costs. Additionally, users can benefit from various promotions and discounts for trading fees. Multiple earning opportunities. LBank provides passive income options through its staking, lending, and fixed savings programs. These options allow users to earn on their holdings without actively trading. For those interested in NFTs, LBank recently launched an NFT marketplace where users can buy, sell, and trade digital collectibles, allowing them to participate in the rapidly expanding NFT sector. LBank's IEO, Initial Exchange Offering, platform allows users to invest in early-stage blockchain projects, providing an opportunity to participate in new and innovative crypto ventures. LBank has limited fiat support, which can be inconvenient for users who want to fund their accounts directly with traditional currency. Some users may need to use a different platform to convert fiat to crypto before transferring to LBank. LBank operates primarily in regions with less regulatory oversight, which could be a concern for users who prioritize platforms with strict regulatory compliance. However, the platform has a good reputation for safety. Although LBank provides customer support, some users report delays, especially during high trading volume periods. Faster response times would greatly improve the user experience. While the platform is user-friendly, the range of features can be overwhelming for beginners. New users may need time to explore and understand the advanced trading options and investment programs available. LBank Token, LBK. The platform's native token, LBK, allows users to enjoy trading fee discounts, access exclusive features, and participate in platform events. This can be advantageous for active traders looking to save on fees and gain additional rewards. LBank's copy trading feature is a great option for beginners who want to replicate the strategies of experienced traders. This feature enables new traders to learn while potentially profiting from successful strategies. LBank offers high liquidity across many trading pairs, making it easier for users to buy and sell assets quickly. This is particularly beneficial for traders who need to make fast transactions without significant price slippage. IEO Launchpad for early-stage investment. Through its IEO Launchpad, LBank gives users access to promising blockchain projects in their early stages. For those interested in venture opportunities, this can be an exciting feature. NFT Box Marketplace. LBank's NFT Marketplace expands the platform's offerings beyond traditional trading, allowing users to trade digital collectibles, participate in the NFT economy, and explore new investment avenues. Final verdict. Is LBank worth it in 2024? LBank has proven to be a legitimate and secure option for crypto traders looking for a flexible platform with a wide variety of assets and earning opportunities. Its strong security measures, low fees, and user-friendly design make it appealing for both new and advanced traders. Though it has limitations in fiat support and regulatory oversight, its reputation for safety and growing range of services make it a competitive choice for crypto enthusiasts in 2024. For users seeking an exchange that combines a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, passive income options, and competitive fees, LBank is definitely worth exploring. Ready to start trading on LBank? If LBank sounds like the right platform for your crypto needs, there's no better time to join. Sign up using the link in the description and comments below to start trading, staking, and exploring all the opportunities LBank has to offer. Take advantage of its competitive fees and broad asset selection to grow your crypto portfolio on a trusted platform. Get started with LBank today and dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and passive earning. Happy trading!